In this video for our 2-week, that's right, 2-week practice and technique challenge, we are at review day. Whew. We're going to take the last 6 lessons we did and we're going to put them all together in this video to give you a fantastic workout and warm-up. Bravo, great job for sticking with this. This is going to take the last 6 lessons we did and put it all into one continuous warm-up. This is a really great idea for you to, every time you pick up ukulele, you can do this, and it's going to give you a fantastic left and a right hand workout. Now, before each one, I'll kind of remind you of what the video is. If you need help, though, like a tutorial on these, that's why the previous 6 videos exist, so you can learn all these techniques. Now, we're getting near the end. We're going to have a couple more videos after this. I'm going to help you figure out what's next. We're going to announce the winner. Remember the winner. That's right. The winner of the brand new Kala Ukulele. Remember all that stuff you got to do. Subscribe right here to ukelikethepros. Subscribe to Kala. Sign up at ukelikethepros.com/challenge. And also post at least one video over to the forum, and then you're entered to win. We're going to announce the winner of that as well. And it's not too late to become a VIP. We'll put a link to that if you want to go find out more information with the VIP, including all the PDFs and the backing tracks and all that kind of stuff that you get with the VIP. Now, you're probably going, this is cool. I can't wait to do this lesson. And you're probably wondering what's next. Well, do you know at ukelikethepros.com, we have over 20 courses for beginner, intermediate, advanced players. We have a fantastic roadmap to help guide you into what lesson, what video is next. And then if you just want to bypass that, become a premium member, you get all, that's right, all the courses, all included in the premium membership. So you've got you covered. We got you covered over at ukelikethepros.com. All right, are you ready? Are you warmed up? Now, notice what I got here. I just got my Ko-Aloha Mango ukulele for this. Doesn't matter if you have a soprano, concert tenor. I'm using a low G for this one right here, but doesn't matter what you have. Remember, I did some of these on electric ukulele, right? But I'm going to use this one for all these videos. So are you ready? Come on, let's go. All right, it's time to put the last 6 lessons together. We're going to go back to back to back to back to back to back with these. But between each one, there'll be a little pause, and I'll remind you of what the exercise is. So are you ready? Let's do the backing tracks. This first one. The first one is working on our major scale. Remember, it starts right here on the 3rd fret. Comes back down. 4th fret, 5th, 6th, and the last one's going to be up here on the 7th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. You notice I use my thumb for this one. You can use a pick. You can use your fingers. It doesn't matter. And you can also practice this going even higher and up and down the fretboard as well. The next one was the sequence, every other note, which is. Now we're just going to do it one time. Okay, so it's one time in this position because that's really good for this kind of this overall putting it all together lesson. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do so far on those? Leave a comment below on how you're feeling on these warm-ups. Remember, I did these on an electric ukulele with a pick. I'm just using my thumb. Again, your choice. Use your fingers, use whatever you want, use a pick. Any ukulele is fine. I do happen to have the low G on this one. The next one was a 4-note sequence, which was... We're going to go up and down. We're just going to do it one time in this first position. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do on that one? That one is one of my favorite exercises. And just because we only did it once here, you can continue this up or down the neck. Make your own warm-up with what we're doing right here. This next one here is going to be the hammer-on exercise, which is... We use fingers 1 and 2. We go down and up, and we go up to the 3rd fret. Then we're going to go back and do 1, 3. Do that up to the 3rd fret, and then 1, 4. All right, let's bring in the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. That was a hammer-on exercise. If you remember, the next one was the same thing, except we're going to be doing the pull-offs. 2 to 1. Here we're going to go down and up, stop on the 3rd fret, 4 clicks, and then we're going to go 3 to 1. Go up to the 3rd fret, and then 4 to 1. All right, let's see how you do with your pull-offs. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. How are we doing so far? Leave a comment below. But we got one more. Remember, this one is a tremolo. We're going to use all open strings here. It's going to go quarter notes, 2, 3, 4 eighth notes, 1, 2, 3, 4 triplets, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3, 4 16th notes, 1 E and the 2 E and the 3, the 4 and tremolo, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I tried with my thumb. I'm actually going to bring a pick out for this one. We're going to do all 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. To next string, 3 and. To next string, 3, 4. 3, and... All right, a little harder with that tremolo on that 4th string. But there you go. There's another absolutely fantastic warm-up. You can, again, make up your own stuff, extend this, make it longer, go up and down the neck. Even with that tremolo one, you can start doing some notes as you're doing those right-hand exercises. So, whew. All right, so this is our second review day here. We're not done yet. Remember, we got to... Well, we're going to have another video. We're going to kind of wrap this whole challenge up, and then we're going to have another video announcing the winner of the Kala Ukulele. You know what you need to do, right? You got to subscribe here, subscribe to Kala, sign up at ukelikethepros.com/challenge, and post at least, that's right, at least one video over to the Ukulele Pros forum to be entered to win that brand new Kala Ukulele. So great job. I'm proud of you. We got a few more things to go before we wrap up this challenge, but practice this. This is an absolute fantastic warm-up and technique. And if you like this, the ukulele, you need some new strings, a pick, everything you need, the #1 store, store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, I'm out of here. We'll see you in the next one.